Growing older brings many changes, some expected, some surprising, and some that most people never feel comfortable talking about out loud. One of the most common, yet most overlooked struggles, is something that happens in the quiet corners of daily life: staying clean after using the bathroom. For many older adults, the simple act of wiping becomes harder with time. Maybe your back doesn't bend the way it used to. Maybe your hands are stiff from arthritis. Or maybe your balance isn't as steady as it once was. Whatever the reason, what used to be a small, automatic part of your routine can start to feel frustrating, tiring, or even impossible. But the truth is, this challenge does not mean you're weak or failing. It means your body has changed, and your hygiene routine needs to change with it. Today, we'll walk through practical, thoughtful solutions that make bathroom hygiene easier, safer, and more comfortable for anyone over 60. And while the subject may feel private, everything discussed here is meant to help you regain independence, confidence, and ease. Point 1: Toilet paper isn't senior friendly. Why it becomes a struggle? Most of us grew up using dry toilet paper without ever thinking twice about it. But dry paper was never designed with aging bodies in mind. As we enter our 60s, 70s, and 80s, our skin becomes thinner, more sensitive, and more prone to irritation. The joints in our wrists, elbows, and shoulders may not move smoothly, and the spine, especially the lower back, often becomes stiff and painful, making twisting or leaning difficult. All of these changes mean that wiping with dry toilet paper is not only uncomfortable, but sometimes physically challenging or even impossible. Dry toilet paper also doesn't clean very well, even for people without mobility issues. It leaves behind tiny bits of residue that can increase irritation and lead to infections, especially urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are extremely common among seniors, particularly women. When wiping becomes inconsistent or rushed because of pain or difficulty reaching, bacteria can remain on the skin. Over time, this can lead to redness, soreness, itching, and even more serious issues like skin breakdown or recurring infections. For seniors who struggle to bend or twist, the risk is even higher. Trying to reach backward while balancing on a low toilet seat can cause dangerous instability. Many older adults have experienced moments when they felt themselves tipping, straining, or panicking while trying to clean up, and this fear of losing balance can cause hesitation, which makes the process even harder. This is why many seniors begin wiping awkwardly or ineffectively, not because they don't care about hygiene, but because the positions required are simply no longer safe. Point 2: Pre-moistened wipes. Gentle, effective, and easier to use, pre-moistened wipes are perhaps the most familiar option, and for good reason. They're softer, gentler, and more effective than dry toilet paper. They glide across the skin instead of scraping it. They remove residue more completely, which means less irritation, better comfort, and reduced risk of infections. For seniors with hemorrhoids, sensitive skin, or incontinence, wipes can make a dramatic difference in comfort. Wipes also require less movement, less twisting, and less pressure. Because they offer more cleaning power with fewer strokes, wiping becomes faster and easier, which is especially helpful for people with arthritis, limited hand strength, or reduced flexibility. Many wipes contain soothing ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E, and chamomile. These help calm irritated skin and prevent the chafing that often happens with frequent wiping. Seniors who experience dryness due to medications, diabetes, or age-related skin thinning usually find wipes far more comfortable than toilet paper. However, there are a few important things to know. Most wipes should never be flushed, even when the package says flushable. They can clog plumbing, damage pipes, and harm water systems. It's safer to dispose of them in a lined trash bin with a lid. Point 3: Portable bidets. Clean more thoroughly without wiping hard. Portable bidets are one of the most helpful hygiene tools for seniors, especially those who struggle with mobility. They're small, handheld bottles that spray water exactly where you need it. Unlike wipes or toilet paper, a portable bidet doesn't require repeated wiping. Water does the cleaning for you, reducing friction on sensitive skin and removing bacteria more thoroughly than any type of paper could. Portable bidets also restore confidence and independence. Seniors who worry they not fully clean or who fear odors during social situations often find their anxiety decreases once they switch to water-based cleaning. They're simple to use, fill with warm water, aim using the angled nozzle, and squeeze gently. Some models even include controlled spray settings for comfort. And unlike installing a full bidet seat, these portable versions require no plumbing, no tools, and no major changes. They fit in a purse, a car, or even a coat pocket, making them ideal for travel or public restrooms. Point 4. Peri bottles. A simple, gentle option for limited mobility. Peri bottles are similar to portable bidets, but usually smaller, softer, and easier to squeeze. Originally designed for postpartum women, they've become incredibly helpful for seniors who need gentle cleansing without wiping. The bottle sprays warm water directly where it's needed, making it perfect for people who can't bend much or who need cleaning while sitting comfortably. Seniors with sensitive skin, healing wounds, or chronic irritation often prefer Peri bottles because they allow cleaning without rubbing. For people who sit for long periods due to mobility issues, Peri bottles can help prevent sores, discomfort, or infections caused by trapped bacteria. They are especially useful for nighttime bathroom visits because seniors can keep one next to the bed for quick use. This avoids painful bending or twisting when joints are stiff. They are also ideal for anyone who needs a backup cleaning method when a full bathroom trip is difficult. Point 5. Bidet attachments. Long-term comfort with less strain for seniors who want a long-term solution that removes nearly all bending, twisting, and wiping. Bidet attachments can be life-changing. These devices attach directly to your toilet seat and spray warm or cool water with gentle pressure to fully clean the area. There is no need to hold a bottle, aim anything, or reach behind you. With a single turn of a dial or the push of a button, the bidet does the cleaning for you, allowing older adults to stay clean with far less physical effort. This is incredibly important because the older we get, the more our joints resist twisting or bending. A bidet removes the need for complex movements entirely. For people with spinal arthritis, shoulder mobility issues, hip replacements, or chronic pain, this can take away one of the biggest daily sources of frustration. What once required strain, balance, and careful positioning becomes as simple as sitting and letting the water do its work. Another hidden benefit is that bidets reduce skin irritation dramatically. Because there's no rubbing, scraping, or repeated wiping, the skin stays healthier, especially for those dealing with hemorrhoids, incontinence, or ongoing irritation. Studies show that water cleaning helps prevent infections by washing away bacteria more completely than dry wiping ever could. Point 6. Handheld shower heads. Full cleaning without twisting or pain. A handheld shower head might seem unrelated to bathroom wiping at first, but for many seniors, it becomes an essential part of staying clean comfortably when wiping becomes difficult or painful. A gentle rinse in the shower can provide a level of cleanliness that no wipe or paper can match. Seniors with incontinence, chronic irritation, digestive issues, or sensitive skin often find that a full rinse feels much more refreshing. Handheld shower heads are easy to aim and allow seniors to clean areas they cannot physically reach with their arms. The ability to control water pressure is another major advantage. Low pressure for sensitivity, higher pressure for deep cleaning. Many models include a pause button, so you don't have to constantly turn the water on and off, which saves water and reduces effort. For seniors who struggle with balance, a shower chair or transfer bench can make this process even easier. You can sit comfortably, rinse thoroughly, and avoid the strain of twisting or reaching awkwardly. This method also avoids friction altogether, greatly reducing skin irritation. For anyone who feels uncomfortable or unclean after wiping, rinsing in the shower can restore peace of mind and comfort. Point 7. Soft washcloths. A reusable, skin-friendly alternative. Some seniors prefer solutions that are reusable, gentle, and free of chemicals. Soft washcloths moistened with warm water can replace wipes entirely. They offer the same cleaning power as pre-moistened wipes without the irritation or waste. For seniors with allergies, sensitive skin, or environmental concerns, this option is ideal. Washcloths are particularly helpful for those who find disposable wipes too small, too thin, or too difficult to grip. Because they are larger and easier to hold, seniors with arthritis or reduced hand strength often find them more manageable. They also absorb water well, making each wipe more effective and less repetitive. The key is to use warm water, not hot or cold. Warm water softens the stool, relaxes the skin, and helps with cleaning without causing shock or irritation. After use, the cloths can be placed in a sealed bin until laundry day. Washing them with hot water and a gentle detergent ensures they stay safe and clean. The main drawback is that this method requires regular laundry, which may not be convenient for everyone. It also isn't ideal for travel, but for home use, soft washcloths offer a comfortable, gentle, and very effective cleaning option that protects the skin while maintaining independence. Point 8. Toilet tissue wands, reaching without bending or twisting toilet. Tissue wands, sometimes called wiping aids, are long-handled tools that help seniors clean themselves without having to twist or reach too far. For people with back issues, hip replacements, spinal stiffness, or limited arm mobility, these tools can restore independence in a meaningful way. The wand works by gently holding a folded piece of tissue or a wipe in a secure grip at the end. Once you're finished, a simple button or release mechanism drops the used paper directly into the trash, so you never have to handle anything afterward. This makes the process cleaner and reduces the risk of losing balance while trying to reach behind. What many seniors appreciate most is the dignity these tools provide. Instead of relying on a caregiver or family member, they can take care of themselves quietly and privately. Not needing to ask for help often restores a sense of confidence and emotional comfort. Learning to use a wand takes a little practice, and not all models feel equally natural. But once mastered, it can make a significant difference for seniors who otherwise struggle daily with this essential task. Point 9. Bathroom safety tools, making the space steady and secure for many seniors. The biggest challenge in bathroom hygiene isn't cleaning, it's staying steady enough to clean safely. Sitting down, standing up, turning, or shifting weight on a slippery floor can all increase the risk of falls. Installing simple bathroom safety tools can transform the bathroom from a higher-risk area into a stable, predictable environment. Grab bars are one of the most essential additions. Mounted beside or behind the toilet, they provide the sturdy support needed to lower yourself gently and rise back up without strain. They also prevent sudden slips that can happen while reaching or wiping. Toilet safety frames add additional support on both sides of the toilet, similar to armrests, helping seniors who have trouble balancing or who feel weak in their legs. Raised toilet seats are another powerful safety upgrade. By increasing the height of the seat by just 2 to 4 inches, the strain on your knees, hips, and back decreases significantly. When the toilet is higher, less bending is required, which makes wiping, standing up, and sitting down easier and far more comfortable. Point 10. Toilet cushions. When sitting shouldn't hurt, many older adults feel pain when sitting on a hard toilet seat, especially anyone with arthritis, sciatica, low muscle mass, or a history of hip problems. What most people don't realize is that discomfort can quietly affect hygiene. When sitting hurts, seniors tend to rush, lean to one side, or shift awkwardly, which can make thorough cleaning harder and increase the risk of losing balance. A simple padded toilet seat cushion can change everything. These cushions, often made with memory foam or soft gel, add comfort, warmth, and stability. When the seat feels supportive instead of painful, seniors naturally sit with better posture, giving themselves more time and control to clean properly. This also reduces pressure on the tailbone, protects sensitive areas, and prevents numbness in the legs. For slow-moving mornings or days when joints feel stiff, this small upgrade can remove stress from the entire bathroom routine. And the best part is that most cushions are inexpensive, easy to install, and work with standard toilet seats. A tiny change, but powerful relief. Point 11. Sit while wiping. A simple change that makes everything easier. Many adults were taught to stand while wiping, but as we get older, standing up creates unnecessary strain, especially for those with balance issues, knee pain, or hip limitations. Sitting keeps you steady, reduces the risk of slipping, and provides more control over your movements. When you remain seated, your center of gravity stays stable. You can use grab bars, side rails, or a toilet frame for extra security. Seniors who switch to seated wiping often report less dizziness, fewer close calls, and much less pressure on their back and hips. For those who struggle with mobility, sitting also helps reduce fatigue. If wiping already feels difficult, standing only drains more energy. Giving yourself permission to sit and take your time is not only safer, it's smarter. And sometimes the simplest shift in routine brings the biggest relief. Point 12. Torso binders. A surprising tool that helps you reach more easily. A torso binder is a wide, soft elastic wrap often used for posture support or post-surgery recovery, but many seniors use it for another reason. It gently compresses the stomach area, making it easier to reach behind or between the legs. As we age, carrying extra weight in the midsection can make bending forward or twisting sideways more difficult. Even a small belly can reduce reach by several inches, turning a normal task into a frustrating one. A torso binder lightly supports the abdomen, giving your arms a little more room and your back a more stable base. This tool is especially useful for seniors who prefer independence but feel limited by their range of motion. It should never feel tight or restrictive, just supportive, like a gentle hug around the midsection. And for many older adults, it's the difference between struggling daily and moving with confidence. Point 13. Showering after toileting. The cleanest option for sensitive skin when skin becomes irritated easily. Wiping, no matter how gently, may not be enough. Seniors with hemorrhoids, incontinence, loose stools, or chronic irritation often find that showering offers the cleanest, most soothing solution. Water removes bacteria thoroughly, without friction. Even a quick 1 to 2 minute rinse with a handheld shower head can leave you feeling fresh and reduce the risk of infections or rashes. For those who deal with bowel accidents or leaks, a full rinse is often far easier than multiple wipes. A shower chair or a transfer bench can make this routine safe and comfortable. Some seniors choose to shower once each morning after their first bowel movement. This eliminates the stress of difficult wiping and sets the tone for a clean, confident day. Point 14. Improve hygiene from the inside out. Fiber plus water. One of the most helpful hygiene tips has nothing to do with wiping tools at all. It comes from improving digestion. Softer, easier bowel movements mean less wiping, less irritation, and less effort. Constipation is extremely common in older adults due to lower fiber intake, less water consumption, and certain medications, but this can be improved with simple habits. Eat more fiber. Beans, oatmeal, pears, prunes, berries, and leafy greens all soften stool naturally. Drink more water. Even 1 extra cup per day can make a difference. Move your body. A slow walk after meals stimulates digestion. Ask your doctor about fiber powder. Psyllium husk can help make bowel movements smoother and easier. Improving digestion means less wiping, less straining, and far more comfort every single day. Point 15. Take your time. Rushing causes more problems than it solves. Many seniors rush in the bathroom out of habit or fear of taking too long. But rushing is the enemy of safety. It increases the risk of slipping, improper cleaning, and unnecessary strain. Give yourself time. Give your body patience. Give your routine room to flow. Instead of feeling pressured, no one needs to move quickly to stay independent. Independence is about confidence, not speed. Sitting calmly, breathing deeply, and moving slowly ensure your hygiene is thorough and your body feels safe. When you stop rushing, your whole bathroom routine becomes smoother, cleaner, and far less stressful. Thank you for spending this time with Senior Wisdom. If you're someone over 60 who is still learning, still adapting, and still caring for your well-being, you are truly remarkable. Remember, your body may change, but your dignity never does. Your independence matters, your comfort matters, and you deserve solutions that honor your needs at every age. If this guide helped you, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss future senior-friendly health tips. And if you want to show encouragement to others who might be struggling quietly, type hope in the comments. Sometimes one simple word can remind someone that they're not alone.